I proposed you to make these chicken wings flavored with garlic and basil in a sweet and sour coating and with toasted pine nuts. Everyone will enjoy eating them with their fingers. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by marinating the chicken. For this, cut the wings in half. Put them in a mixing bowl. Grate a piece of ginger. Take 1 tablespoon. Put it with the chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of ground pepper. Mix. Let rest while continuing the preparation. Toast 50 grams of pine nuts over low heat for 4 minutes. Regularly stir. Turn up the heat and continue stirring for another 20 seconds. Chop 8 garlic cloves. Put them in a mortar. Crush them to release all their flavor. Gradually put 30 grams of basil. Add half teaspoon of salt. And 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We get a pesto sauce. Now make the seasoning sauce. In a bowl, put 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of white rice vinegar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix. In a mixing bowl, put 120 grams of potato starch. Cover each piece of chicken with. To make the wings crispy, fry them 2 times. For the first, put them in the oil at 160 degrees Celsius. My saucepan is not big enough for all the wings. I put half of them. Stir from time to time. Fry them for 7 minutes. Take them out. Fry the same way with the other half. All the wings went through the first frying. The second will make them very crispy. The oil is at 170 degrees Celsius. Fry them for 3 minutes. Remove them and let them drain. For the final mix, in a skillet over high heat, put 3 tablespoons of olive oil. When the oil is hot, put a pesto. Stir for 30 seconds. Add the seasoning sauce. Stir for 1 minute. Add the chicken wings. Turn on low heat. Stir for 15 seconds. Add the pine nuts. Briefly stir and turn off the heat. The basil and garlic wings are ready. Bon appétit! The wings are crispy, coated in a sweet and sour sauce, flavored with pesto. The toasted pine nuts give a delicious flavor. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.